Hello! I'm back. It's later. Let's talk about variable types. And can you remember which class is X and Y? I've spit it out here. Both as just screenshot of what it would look like as a CSV, or even I think it's been a little while. But anyway, here we have this not variable. And when we read it in, we have a data frame, and this vector is character based, as is Y, as is X. Interesting. Very interesting. But why? Well, I kind of already hinted at it. One is because we got this dot here. And so it doesn't know how to process that. Here we know that's okay. Yeah, okay, let's back up. So, we had lots of different NAs, but we really should spell them out because they're all over the place. It's messy data. So, so option 1 is we can say NA equals and then just give all the different variants. Here we've got empty, nah, dot, and 9999, which is a favorite of SPSS as well as not applicable. Now, all of these should nicely be handled in our new tibble. Option 2 is we could also specify column types. And here, so we could, as we read in the CSV, create a list of our column types and assign column double to first one, column character and column character, which is okay. It's got an error in it, but it does, for the most part, do kind of what we want. Tons of column types. So we've got column character, column date time, double, factor, guess, integer, logical, number, numeric, skip, and time. Sorry, it's a Mary Poppins thing. But yeah, so each of these types now, the default is guess. So reader will read in the first, I think it's 10, maybe 20 rows, and base the guess on that. But if you have systematically missing data, it may get very confused. And if you have lots of NAs up front, it will guess logical. So it's not perfect. So pause after I tell you all the stuff that you need to do. So I want you to open up Food Excel and knit it, and then work on exercise 1. So you can read in the Excel file called favorite food from the data raw folder. Clean up those missing data. Make sure you're happy with the variable types, as well as convert SES, so socioeconomic status, into a factor with these levels in the following order: low, middle, and high. Then I want you to rewrite that out and extract it. You don't have to spell it the British way if you don't want to. Into the data folder. And lastly, read back in your favorite food CSV and see what happened. Do the data behave the same way you left them? So when you do all that, come on back. I'll be here. I'm gonna have a snack while you do it. Cool. You're done? Awesome. Wait, you're not done? Okay, pause. Did you pause? Cool. Let's continue. Now that you've unpaused. You ready? You sure? Last call. Okay. So, sometimes we have this challenge where CSVs can be unreliable for saving interim results if there are specific variable type information you want to hold on to. So an alternative way to deal with this is an RDS file. And this is something you can read in and write with read_RDS and write with _RDS. And this is an R data set. So go do that. So work through exercise 1, and during that, make sure to repeat the first 3 steps from exercise 1 while you work on exercise 2, because that's totally what I said the first time. Then write out your resulting data frame in favorite foods _RDS in the data folder. Read that back and observe. Did you get back what you expected? Cool. Go do that. And I will just wait here. I can wait. I got a snack. Cool. You ready? Okay, here you go. Yeah? Great. Guess what? We got another activity. So I want you to go back in and look at the sales Excel file, load in the sales XLSX data, and use the appropriate argument for read Excel. So that you get that back out. Cool. Now, I want you to manipulate the data so that it ends up looking like this table. Cool. Great. And while you're doing that, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.